Hello friends, today's topic, my mother has 50 lakhs. Can I expect 50,000 per month? Is it possible? I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. You all know that we conduct question answer sessions very frequently on YouTube and many people ask questions. Many of them are answered on the spot, but many good questions are left because of lack of time. During such time, whatever questions are left out, if we answer those questions, if many people are going to be benefited, we are going to answer them in this particular video. The question was like this, Sir, my mother has 50 lakhs. Currently, she needs 25,000 every month. Please suggest how to invest 50 lakhs to get 40 to 50,000 per month. Our comments are as follows. Number one, if you want around 50,000 per month, then you will need 6 lakhs per year on an investment of rupees 50 lakhs. This works out to 12% per annum. 2. Although in the long term you can get 13 to 15% per annum returns from stocks and mutual funds, it may not come in the beginning years. 3. Especially when the money is required every month, then investment cannot be fully done in equity. Some portion has to be invested in hybrid or debt funds which will reduce the overall returns in the long term. Number 4. So, if your requirement is reduced to around 30 to 35,000 per month in the first few years, then the larger amount can be withdrawn as SWP after some years, since the value of the investment would have grown after around 7 to 8 years. Second question is as follows. I am 42-year-old now. I can invest 20,000 per month in mutual funds. I need around 1 crore for my retirement. Please suggest. Our comments. Number 1. If you invest 20,000 per month for the next 18 years till the age of 60 and we assume that you get 15% per annum average returns, your corpus will be around 1.96 crores. So your wish of 1 crore will be achieved. 2. However, please note that the value of 1.96 crores after 18 years will be much lower than today's value. 3. As per 6% inflation, 1.96 crores after 18 years is equivalent to 69 lakhs of today. So accordingly, plan your future corpus and expenses. 4. If you can increase the investment amount over the next 18 years, then you can expect around 3 crores, which would be more useful in the retirement years. The next question is, in the coming days, market will go down or up? Our comments. Number 1. There is no need to wonder if the market will fall or rise if you are a long-term investor. Just invest regularly every month as a SIP, SCP, and if you have some lump sum, invest in phases in some months. 2. The markets have been strong for 4.5 years. We will need to wait and see. 3. However, don't take any prediction seriously since nobody can be 100% sure. For short-term trades, follow technical analysis, rules, and for long-term, don't try to time the markets. The next and the last question is also very interesting and useful. If I invest for 10 years and hold it for 20 years, then in the middle, should I keep on monitoring my stocks? Our comments. Number 1. Once you invest in a stock or mutual fund, you have to monitor it regularly. For stocks, once in 3 months, you have to seek quarterly results, and for mutual funds, once in 6 to 9 months is enough. 2. There is no way you can invest in stocks specially and not make time to look after them. 3. One of the main reasons for underperformance in our stock market investment is when you don't replace poorly performing stocks. The stock price may go up and down. However, the business performance need to be quite good. If it is continuously deteriorating for a few years, then we need to be concerned. End of the video, here is a question. Do you also expect 5 to 10% correction for markets just like the prediction of experts? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe and press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.